Hello family, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be giving you a dose of some kitchen cleaning motivation. I will need to unload and load the dishwasher, put away some dishes, clean my countertops, and give my floor a light mopping. I'm going to start off by putting the dishes away and cleaning out my sink.
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
Now, if you're new to Clean With Me videos, I love these types of videos. They either make me want to get off my butt and clean, or just sit and watch someone else clean. I prefer to watch because it's more relaxing to watch others, but these types of videos do motivate me to get up and do some cleaning.
Don't take it personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations, please, and make and take a break.
Just so you know, during this video I won't be doing a lot of talking, so if you choose not to clean with me, just sit back, relax, and chill.
Look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
I'll be missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love. And the good times that we had, I'll be missing you, love. I'll be missing you and your love, your love, your love. When I think of you and the two of us together, it felt so good for so long. It was you and me forever. Now you walk away, maybe for the better. So tell me something true. Will you miss my love? Will you miss my love? All the good times that we had, will you miss my love? Will you miss?
So family, let me know down in the comments section, what kitchen chore do you like and hate to do? I personally hate cleaning out the refrigerator, but I love cleaning off my countertops and seeing them clear, nice, and neat.
Every moment I got to spend with you. I have so much inside of me. I wanna tell you something true. I've been missing you, love. Yeah, I've been missing you, love. All the good times that we had. I've been missing you, love. I've been missing you and your love, your love, your love. I don't wanna waste your time. I don't wanna change your mind. Are you better off alone? Girl, you stole my heart and I'm losing you. I'm losing you. I'm still missing your love. Yeah, I'm still missing your love. All the good times that we had. I'm still missing your love.
Now I'm about to clean my sink, and I normally use soft scrub with bleach. It does a good job at cleaning and sanitizing it.
Your love. Oh baby, I'm still missing you. Still missing you, missing you.
Don't listen to the hollow words. Don't fall into their hands. Don't follow any other path but your own. Don't need to live up to their demands. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself. The only thing that truly matters now is that you're doing well, you're doing well. Don't fall for it. Don't listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes. It's right there. Don't be afraid. Be strong. You're not alone.
You guys, that sink caddy is so functional. It holds my 2 scrubbers, dish rag, and sink stopper. I ordered it from Amazon for only $11.99.
Well, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. Only your heart can tell you what is right. You really should listen to yourself.
I would like to welcome back all my subscribers. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. On my channel, I post decor hauls, decorating videos on a budget, DIYs, cook with me's, and cleaning videos. Basically anything lifestyle and budget related. So if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to join my channel.
It's right there. I have loved you quite some time, thinking about the day that we met.
So I normally clean my countertops with either Spick and Span antibacterial cleanser or this Method multi-surface cleaner in the scent Honeycrisp Apple. Guys, it smells so good. It does a good job at cleaning my countertops, stove, and table. It cuts through grease and grime, and it doesn't leave any residue.
I got plans for you all day, all night.
I'm going to give my floors a quick clean. I always use my Swiffer Wet Jet for these types of cleans, but for deeper cleans, I use my spin mop.
We were so young, maybe 20-something. We were living in a fantasy. I knew right from the start you were the other half of my heart. Wanna be so the other half of my heart. Wanna be so yeah, yeah. Wanna be so you make me wanna be something more. You are the other half of my heart. Ooh, the other half of my heart. Ooh, you are the other half of my heart. Ooh, yeah, the other half of my heart. Wanna be something. You are the other half. You make me wanna be something. Wanna be something.
Here's a tip to keep your sink drain smelling fresh. Once the sink is clean, put some drops of your favorite essential oil in the drains. This will keep the odors away. I am using Mainstays essential oil and grapefruit. You can find it at Walmart.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up.
Well, family, that is going to be it for this video. My kitchen is now clean and tidy. Again, if you're new to my channel, make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. For my returning subscribers, thanks for stopping by again. I really appreciate all of you. With that said, I will see you on my next video. God bless.